time, it's my profound gratitude to welcome Sir with an heartiest note, and I will request Sir to start this session.
Good afternoon to one and all. Thank you, Anuna. Now, actually, we are running behind the time, scheduled time. In the list, there are 13 paper presenters, and we have to complete it by 2. So under that particular situation, I am proposing, rather I am suggesting, that all of you please complete your presentation within 5 to 6 minutes. Please don't go into the elaboration. Primarily, you mentioned the research question, the basic outcome of the research, and if you have any suggestion regarding that. Okay, don't go for the narration, and you can mention the method of research. If it is a doctrinal one, you mention that it is a doctrinal one. If you have some sort of primary data, so mention that it is based on some sort of empirical study. So within 5 minutes, you just complete, let us know that what you have done and what is your findings. So I think, any one of you keep in timing, okay? After 4 minutes, you just raise your hand so that, the speaker can know that, 1 minute left, okay? So with this, I am now in, okay.
Before we start, I now request Dean School of Law, Dr. Debashri Mukherjee, to felicitate our chair.
So, may I now request Ashapurna Ghosh, the first speaker for this session, Ms. Ashapurna Ghosh. Yeah. The title of her paper is Mind Matters, Legal Pathways to Mental Health Rights in Northeast India with Global Perspective.
Hello. There is no health without a mental health. Good morning, everybody. I am Anshubarna Ghosh from Amity Law School, Kolkata, and currently enrolled in SEM 8 of BLLB. So it's an honor for me to speak to you about mental health, crucial yet neglected aspects of our human well-being. Imagine a student is preparing for his exam. Then if he is mentally well, then he can stay focused, can easily take breaks between his preparations, and can even manage his stress level. But what if he is struggling? He can easily get demotivated, his stress level can increase, and even he can become depressed and anxious also. So just like our physical health, our mental health is also important, as it affects how we cope up with our challenges in our daily lives and lives our lives. Yet, in many communities, it's still ignored, misunderstood, and even stigmatized. Now, the next slides will be on our legal rights. See, mental health is not a personal issue. It's our legal right. Article 21 of Indian Constitutions guarantees the right to life and personal liberty. I want to cite one case here, that is Rakesh Chandra Narayan versus State of Bihar 1988, which emphasized that expose the shocking conditions of a mental hospital pushing for reforms. Another is our Article 47 of Indian Constitutions further stated that it's our states and governments' responsibility to improve public health, including mental health care also. I want to cite a case here also, that is Reena Banerjee and another versus Government of NTC of Delhi 2016. The court emphasized the state's duty to provide adequate mental health services and infrastructure. To strengthen these rights, Indian government also enacted the Mental Health Care Act in 2017, ensuring right to access to everyone, including patients, their visitors, and all, with giving protection to those individuals from inhuman treatment, and even decriminalize suicide, calling it for a help, not a crime. Now, in global, mental health is being more prioritized. We have United Nations, goal number 3 of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals that stated good health and well-being, where it's aimed to reduce the percentage of patients with mental disorders, and also emphasize the states to have adequate mental health care services. Also, we have World Health Organization's comprehensive action plan from 2013 to 2030, which states that it's a mandate to integrate mental health services into primary healthcare centers also, stating